Hey guys, and welcome back to another day of doing some coding. Today we're gonna be doing we're gonna be returning to stack, and we're gonna be doing daily temperatures. So this one and this one, we're basically given an array of integers with a bunch of temperatures, and we have to return the number of days after the day. Thanks, Java. Okay, I can't miss you. Before a warmer temperature appears on a future day. If there's no day where warmer will appear, set results to I instead. So like we get 30, and the next day is 38, so it's 1. 38, the next day is 40, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. And so on and so on. So, shouldn't seem too. I know we have to use stacks this, but let's think about how we're gonna do that. So basically, I think what I can do is I just create a stack. Mm, so I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go okay. So we'll start and we'll say so output equals empty string. Okay, it's for temp in temperatures. For temp and temperatures. Alright, we're gonna go because we just want to go through this one time. So I think we gotta do is we gotta create a stack, and we gotta like put it in the stack. So we'll just create stack equals boom. Stack dot append temp. Okay. Stack dot append temp. Nah. Cause I know like I don't know how to use like I feel like okay I could just go through the loop twice and say okay first number when it's bigger this one and then this is the length of the stack, so one jump, you know what I mean? So for temp and temperature we'll say count equals 0 for temp2 in temperature while no, and then we'll just do a while temp let's say yeah while so but we have to start. So I think what we'll do is so we have a stack that's gonna be constant. So go temp and temperatures. Ooh. Stack dot append temp. No, hey, let's test something. If I go here and I go so stack equals 1 1 3 and I go stack dot pop 1 print final is print stack final is 1 3. Okay, so it only pops at one time. I need to because it prints the first one, right? Oh. No. So this prints a number. No, it prints like a... So let's get our brain warmed up. So what I want to do is I want to put something in a stack, okay? And then I want to keep putting in the stack until it's smaller. So I need to do like a while loop. But we have to start. So the first thing I do, right? No, so count, I think is useless. So for temperatures and temp, stack.append temp. And then we'll say count equals 0. And so while, maybe not count, but while temp at I, while temperatures, oh, no, I equals len stack, okay, it's my work, while temperatures at I, and at I, while temperatures at I, if temperatures at I is less than temp output dot append len stack -1, I think, because right now this is 1, yeah, -1, and then if I'll say trigger equals 1, and then if I plus equals 1, if trigger equals 0, output dot append 0. So we'll copy this into VS Code real quick. Okay, and then I want to, output, and then I'll just print output. I do have 3, so we do need a, cool. So, hold on, let's run it again. So list index, while temperatures at I, like, is not none. So list index out of range. Seven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should not have went through the loop. And I not equal to the len of temperatures -1, which is 6. Oh, okay. So, this is all if. Because the last one's always going to be 0. So this is all if I is not equal to the len of temperatures. Or -1, I'm not sure yet. We'll see what gives us an error. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, so 0, 1, 1, 1. So already we failed. Cool. Ah, perfect. Generate output each time. So basically we're going 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 3. So this gotta be messed up. Wait, how many numbers we have? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why do we have 9 numbers? This, wait, what? What? Oh, wait a minute. It should not be len stack -1. It should be... Wait a minute. Okay, well, let's take out these inputs, these outputs. Should not be len stack -1. It should be the len of... It should be I -1, I'm pretty sure. So we already still got 9 numbers. Like, how the hell do we get 9 numbers? How are we appending 9 times? Because I'm getting... What the flip? Okay. Let's review the code. Put some spaces in here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. So, temp in temperatures, trigger equals 0, stack dot append temp. So we append temp, right? So, and I equals the len of the stack, right? So we can start at that number, right? So if I is not equal to len temperatures, right, already, so the last one is 0. No, because this one works. I don't. We'll find. So if I is not equal to len temperatures, while temperatures at I, this is so useless. While I is not equal to len temperatures -1. If temperatures at I is less than temp, no, is bigger than temp. Oh. So we just like straight up trolled. Ah, great. So we have a lot. We have 10 numbers. How the hell did... Oh. We have to break. And trigger is not equal to 1. 04244. No. So this is already wrong. Let's try the less. Maybe. Oh, what? No. So... So temperatures at I has to be bigger than temp, right? That's like for sure. Temperatures at I has to be bigger than temp. Because we're looking for the one that's biggest, right? So we'll go Like we're starting here. Like we already appended these two to the stack, right? We have temp, and we're saying okay. We're at this one. Equals the length of 2, so we're starting here. We're saying when it's bigger. So the first one should be 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one should be 4. When I run this, oh. So why is it appending a 0 by default? Because 4, 2, 4, 4 should be 1. It should be 1. 30, 30, yeah. Wow. So the second number is a 4, which is good. Then we don't get the rest. We're getting increased numbers. Oh, these two work perfectly. Oh, wait a minute. So other than this one, I'll find out about this one, but these ones I know why, because it's I is, it's not supposed to be I, it's supposed to be like len, if I do len stack minus I minus 1, would that work? Oh! Wait. I minus stack minus 1. One four one two one 0 1412. Okay, let's go. Take this back. Put this out here. Put this in here. Bom bom. I'm gonna get an error. No. Oh. 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so we're gonna test this out in our code over here. Okay, so we just have to remove this. I think if we submit again, we should be good. Accepted. Oh, let's go. Okay. So now we're gonna do this new segment called comparison to solution. See how, yeah, wow, this guy's did nothing. So 0 equals len temperatures, stack for IT and enumerate temperatures, while stack is less than t, is bigger than t, stack end equals stack dot pop, res stack end equals I minus stack end, stack dot append. Stack t just not used. Cool. Cold. Stack index is stack dot pop. Res equals stack index equals I minus stack index as it append t at I. Absolutely no idea how this thing works. I don't know if ours was like an actual values of stack. We kind of went through it, but I mean I consider it because like we put it in stack, and then once we find it, then we put both of them in stack, and we go here, put all 3 here, all 4 here, all 5, and look at it. So I think I consider this a win. We got accepted, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.